Hi, this is Akshit. I work as a developer at Maxim. In this video, we'll be seeing how you can use Maxim's observability for fireworks-based LLM applications. So over here, I'm on Maxim and I can go to logs. I can go to all the log repositories, create a new repository, and let's call it as fireworks repo. Let's create it. And I'm going to get a unique log repo ID. So let's continue and get that. And I'm going to use this in my notebook secrets. So I've kept the code ready to save some time. Go to the notebook secrets and I'm going to replace my previous log repo ID with this one. And let's save it. Then let's install Fireworks AI and Maxim AI packages. Then let's set the environment variables. And now let's configure the Maxim logger. So I'm going to create an instance of Maxim with the Maxim API key and a logger instance with log repo ID. Let's run this. Provide the logger to instrument fireworks and define an LLM with the respective model that you want to use. So Qwen 3 235 billion 822B I want to use. Deployment type is serverless. You can read more about this deployment type and the models that are available on Fireworks documentation. Let's just run this cell. Let's do a simple inference. Let's use llm.chat.completion.create. Provide a message with the role and the content, and let's see if we get a response back. Now let's see the streaming responses. So again, I'm defining an LLM. You can use the same LLM. I'm using the same. And then I'm going to use llm.chat.completion.create. The same thing, just you need to add additional parameter of stream is equal to true. And let's print the chunks. Let's print the final response chunk by chunk. So if I just run this cell, as you can see, I'm getting the response in chunks and I'm printing those. Let's go to Maxim and let's just refresh once. I can see I've started getting my traces. So I can see the total cost, tokens, the LLM that I used over here, the model, stream is equal to true, and the output cost, input, total cost, completion tokens, prompt tokens, total tokens, everything is properly logged on Maxim dashboard. Now coming back to the code, let's see how we can generate JSON responses from Fireworks. So for that, I'm going to install Pydantic, and from Pydantic, I'm going to import base model and field. Define a state or a model for your final result, and then you define the output schema. So I want my final output JSON schema of this class type, so which just have one parameter, which is winner. And then you define the messages with the role and the content. The content is who won the US presidential election in 2012. Reply just in one JSON, and you are going to get the JSON of this format. You'll have a winner as a field. And let's print the response. And if I just go on Maxim, I can see the trace over here, the LLM, and I can see the final JSON. So this is the complete thought process. And this is the final JSON, winner Barack Obama. Okay, so I hope you like this video in which we saw how you can use Maxim's observability for fireworks based LLM applications. And till the next video, all the best for your AI journey.